Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you the coloring tips for anime video on CapCut. So here I've already add a anime video and I want to just added the color adjustments. So first what you need to do is go to adjust and then set the follow these settings. So first click on the brightness and set it into -10 and the contrast into 20. Click on the saturation and set it into 15. Exposure 10. Sharpen 35. And last, the highlight, set it into 50. And it'll go like this. So here is the before and here is the after. Okay guys, so that's all for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click on the thanks below. I'll catch you all in the following tutorial. Bye.